So we have three ways of raising poultry in your farm. So number one, we have commercial poultry farming. Number two, we have backyard poultry farming. Number three, we have free range poultry farming. And then number four, we have organic poultry farming. So free range and organic, we cannot consider it as one because it has different ways of doing it. So let's dive in and let's see how one commercial poultry farming. This involves large-scale production of poultry meat, that is broilers, and egg-laying hens. Yeah. So commercial farms often utilize advanced technologies and practices to minimize efficiency and output. Yeah. We are going to discuss more about this in the next video, so that we can get to Line World, so that we get informed about this. Just subscribe. And number two, we have backyard poultry farming. This is a small scale operation often run by families or individual. Backyard farming is popular for personnel consumptions and can provide sustainable sources of food and income. Number three, we have free range and organic poultry farming. This method focuses on animals' welfare and environmental sustainability. Free range systems allow birds to roam outdoors, while organic farming adheres to strict regulations regarding feed and management practices. Types of poultry farming. Poultry farming involves the breeding and raising of birds for various purposes, primarily for meat and eggs. There are several types of poultry farming, each focusing on different species and production goal. Here are the main types of poultry farming. Number one, broiler farming, which focuses on raising chicken specifically for meat production and are typically bred to grow quickly and reach market weight in a short period, usually around 6 to 8 weeks. Number two, layer farming, which involves raising hens primarily for eggs production. Layers are bred to produce high number of eggs over the laying cycles, which can last for about 12 to 18 months or more. Turkey farming centers for raising turkey for meat, particularly for holiday seasons like Thanksgiving in the US. They are raised several months before processed for meat. This kind of poultry farming is not common in Africa as a whole. Number four, duck farming involves raising ducks for meat, eggs, and feathers. Duck farming can be specialized, with some farms focusing on specific breeds for either meat, like Peking ducks, or eggs, like khaki Campbell ducks. Number five is goose farming. Similar to duck farming, focuses on raising geese for meat, eggs, and down feathers. Geese are often raised for their rich meat and are also used in some regions for the egg. Quail farming involves raising quails for meat and eggs. Yeah, quail farming is often done in small scale and can be done in urban settings due to the birds' small size. Number seven, we have pigeon farming. Focuses on raising pigeons for meat, yeah, that is squab, or sport, that is raising pigeons. I've never seen that in Africa though. Pigeons farming can also be a hobby for enthusiasts. Number eight, game bird farming. Involves raising birds such as pheasants, partridges, and grouse for hunting or meat production. Game bird farming is always associated with conservation and wildlife management. Number 9 is organic poultry farming, which focuses on raising poultry without the use of synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, genetically modified organisms. Organic poultry can include layers, broilers, and other types of free-range and pastured poultry farming. This involves birds which have access to outdoor spaces, allowing them to forage and exhibit natural behaviors. These methods are often associated with higher animal welfare standards and can appeal to consumers seeking ethical raised products. Each type of poultry farming has its own set of practices, challenges, market demands, and farmers may choose to specialize in one or more types based on their resources, goals, and market opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. If you have anything, let me know in the comment section. I'll carry it forward and come back to our next video. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Peace.